Okay, can you explain? Please explain what we have done yesterday. So you just be very much free with me and just try to explain, and also this might helpful in interviews also in future.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Or shall I ask the questions?
Which questions?
So yesterday we have what we have done. Yesterday we have created a register,
Yeah.
right?
You
Register
know
module.
the document you sent me, I can't open it.
You can't open. I just you
Uh-uh.
just send the request. Then I can able to approve it. I have to approve it.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Why you sending it like that? Why can't you just send it where it's like notes and as soon as I open it?
It is in cloud actually. If for suppose if I keep that file somewhere, it will be. If I lost that file, I lost my document, right? So
I
if
understand.
it is in cloud, I can able to take any time. It is in Google Cloud.
Yeah,
That's why.
that's fine.
So yesterday what we have done, we have created a register, right? We scanned a
Yeah.
register, right?
Yes.
So this is what we have done yesterday. So are you able to do that now in front of me?
Yeah, if you guide me to.
Or else you just let me know the steps what we have done. First of all, I would like to check with you. What is module?
Model.
It's module, right? What is
Module.
what?
Module.
Yeah, module. What is this? Hmm?
That's like the meaning of it? Or like what we do in there?
What we do in that?
Yeah, model we just we scan into the web shop and stuff. And then after that we drag it to the test case and making then we
Now
scan it
you.
to the
Hmm. Go ahead.
uh,
What we will do in module? Why we have to use module?
why we what?
Why we have to use module?
Mm, to test, no? To scan, to put in the web shop.
Yep. So after that, so I'm saying, what is the
That's,
purpose of module? Without module, what will happen? Without module, also we can do it, right? Why we have to use
correct.
module? Is that correct? No, it was wrong. Without module, how could you capture that whatever control? Okay. So this is a website. I want to capture this register by taking help of a module. Only you can do it. Without module, how can you scan this? No, right? No doubt.
No, you can't.
I can't. So if I can't, then so without module, so in interview they'll ask you the question, what is the use of module? Without module, can I able to scan?
Scan.
So what is your answer at the time?
No.
No. So this one word answer is not enough, Mohammed. No doubt.
Okay.
This one word answer is not enough. So you have to explain that module is we'll get a module. It's by taking help of Tosca. So whenever while we are creating or launching the project, you would see launch template. Okay. By launch template, you will get standard modules, and if you want you can able to create your own module that is called a user defined module. What is user defined module? I as a user, I can able to capture whatever I want. If I want to capture entire screen control or a register control, yeah, I can able to scan from here itself. I can create a folder. On top of this folder I just right click on it, I'll use scan. Okay, if I scan only, the properties will be stored in my Tosca.
Okay.
So I have created a folder. After folder that, so I just use a scan service. This scan can scan of your website controls whatever you want to scan. After scanning this module, you have to utilize it, right? You have to use somewhere. You just simply drag this and drop somewhere. Where you have to drop? You have to drop on top of test case, right? This test case you will run. Whenever you run this test case, it will go and it will do the operation, end-to-end operation. Okay, it will do whatever operation you have triggered. That's what it does. Understood?
Okay.
So that is a use of module, that is a use of test case. All right, then next, so what are the properties? Today we are going to discuss about properties. Today we are going to discuss about properties. What are the properties? While you are scanning, you would see sometimes what happens while you are scanning, you would see some kind of not unique. Sometimes the properties will be not unique.
Okay.
So at the time, those properties, if you save it, when you run this, when you run test case, it won't works. Okay, those properties you're gonna see that how the properties we need to make it unique.
Okay.
Okay, so I would like to show you. Let me open here one PPT for you. See, this is properties. What is property? Identify by properties. Okay, this we can call it as identify by properties. Okay, we have types in properties. Whenever you see not unique, for suppose here in your website there are different types of add to carts are there, right? So these devices are different but the names are similar. Whenever you scan this, it will scan but it will be not unique, because this both are similar. There are say similar names are there, right? Add to cart, 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 add to cart. So in this time what happens is it will be conflict with the name. If the same name appears somewhere, if the properties are the same, so at the time what happens is it will throw an error called not unique. Okay, that time we need to make it as a unique. I'll show you very much clear. You need to understand what are the different types of properties we have in Tosca. We have different types of properties. One is properties, identify by properties. This is called as a technical property. Okay, next to index property, anchor property and image property. By taking help of these properties we will make it as a unique. How? I'll show you. Suppose let us take a example. Okay, with the example itself you can able to understand. So yours is this one only, right? Yesterday we
Yeah.
have done with the Yasir. So let me take
Yeah.
one more folder. Here in this I'll take this one, USA. On top of USA folder, again I'm clicking, I'm creating one more folder with the name of properties. This is new topic. Okay, so I will show you when you will get not unique. I want to show you when you will get not unique. Just I am showing you one feature while you are scanning, so you will get some errors. I am just teaching you now today how to tackle that error. While you are scanning, you may see one kind of error called not unique. You just need to understand how to tackle that. Let me try to right click on this, scan application. Suppose I want to click on add to cart. Okay, see here, this is my application. Please do concentrate here. Scan. Scan this. So here if I click here on top of add to cart, dear friend, my dear friend Mohammed, you can see with the, you can see this right with the red orange color.
Yeah.
It is highlighted, and also on bottom of this scanner one item is not unique, it is throwing error. But for example, if I click on example register, if I click on register, let me try. See here, I'll click on register. See here, the selected item is unique.
Yeah.
It is showing not unique for register because only one register name is there. There is no multiple register names here. If you have one register name, only single property, it will not throw any error. Okay, I'll uncheck this. Again I'll try to click on add to cart. Any add to cart. If you take any add to cart, because the names are similar. If the names are similar, the properties would be same. If the properties would be same, so it will throw the error. So we have to make that unique. Suppose I just would like to see here. I just want to scan this one. Okay, can I click here? Just click on this. See here, if you see here the demo webshop X scan, on top of this add to cart I have scanned. If I scan add to cart, you could see the error here. The bottom of the page you could see the error.
Yeah.
So how would you, the question is yours. Your question is, how would you identify not unique? First of all, if you see this orange color highlighted color, if you see orange color highlighted box, that you need to understand this control is not unique. Okay, or this is one way, and second way is in the bottom of this page, or you can say bottom of this, you can see here the one item is not unique, the selected item is not unique. You see left side. So now the question is how to make unique. Okay, earlier we have dealt with the login, we have dealt with the register. At that time we didn't face this kind of issue. But whenever you face such kind of issue, how to tackle this? This is what your question, right? Simple.
Correct.
So we have a properties. Can you see here this?
Yeah.
If you double click on this, simple, double click on it. See here, it will show the properties here. Just very dead easy. So here there are different properties are here. So these properties we can call it as a technical properties.
Okay.
These technical properties are important here to make it unique. Okay. So I just would like to make unique. Let's see. Okay, so you need to check this. No, it is not unique. Immediately uncheck this. You just check this, uncheck it. You check this, uncheck it. You check this, uncheck it. You check this and 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 uncheck it. You check this, uncheck it. And this try with it. You see this, man. Can you see this? The selected item is unique. Can you see this?
Yeah, it matched.
Yep. So I would like to keep here one click on. I'm not doing anything here. I'm just making a new name, which means renaming it. Click on add to cart. That's it. Whatever relevant name. I'm just putting a relevant name here. That is right. That is what we
Yeah.
have to do. Simple. Finish on screen and close.
Where's that? Oh, okay.
So in the properties, if you can see, just if you extend this, you got it, right? Click on the add to cart. You got it.
Okay.
So this is called as technical property. Got it?
Yeah.
So can you please repeat me? Repeat and try to make me to understand. Can you please explain this? What you understood? Do I need to repeat again?
No, not really. So basically, in the properties, you have what do you do?
Basically, in the application, you have to talk about application. Whatever, whenever you want to scan here, there would
Yeah,
be similar kind of names here.
correct.
So whenever you scan any item here, anything, any
Uh-huh.
object, or you can say control or button or whatever you say. So
Yeah.
this, if I want to scan this button, it will throw an error because there are similar names. Tosca is confusing. Oh, where to go? So you scanned this, that's
Okay.
fine. You scanned and saved in the module. But Tosca will
Yeah.
come here. Tosca will come and see that. Oh, what is this? All are look like twins. Oh, this is also same. Add to cart. This is also add to cart. This is also add to cart. There are a lot. I found 6 add to carts. Where to go and click it? So Tosca will confuse. For that, what you have to do? You have their background for every image. There are some properties. Okay, for each and individual module, I'm saying for each individual product. You say here it is a product, right? For
Yeah.
each and individual product, it should have its own different properties. Not should be similar. This is actually gift card. This is laptop. This is a system. Okay, these are all system. That's okay. But thing is, at least you must show something different, right? For that, whenever I try to scan properties, I'm just changing new property. I'm just adding one extra property. By seeing that, Tosca will come and see. By checking that background, it will check background whatever you added the extra property. By seeing that, it will come and recognize this. Understood?
Okay.
Right? Let me do it. Okay, let us try how the Tosca will recognize. Where is USA project? USA project, right? I'll click here. Okay, I just want to make this checkout tree. Yes. Okay. Now just click on this. Right click on this. Create a folder. I'm creating a folder means why I'm doing is I don't want to make all together. I don't want to club all together. Just I want to make it separate this topic. Okay. Properties. Okay. In this property, I want to every time, if you want to run, first of all you need to create a test case. How to create a test case? Right click on it and click on the test case. That's it. You see this? Keep a name, properties. That's it. Next we drag this and drop on top of this. Simple. So what operation we are doing there? Clicking, right? Select, click, save. Shall I run this? Run
Yeah.
Scratchbook. Let's see. So which one it will choose? Tell me now.
What do you mean?
Whatever we have scanned.
Yeah. Wait, I don't get it. What do you mean? Which one?
See this?
Yeah, you added that to the cart.
Yeah, see? It's clicked.
Yeah.
It's clicked
Yeah.
on top of this automatically. You see the result. Yep. This is the result. See? Done. Click operation here. That's great, right?
So, in the project, what would it show? Whatever the project is based on?
Yeah, such kind of issues, whenever you face such kind of issues in project, you have to tackle it, right?
No, not issues. I'm talking about
Hmm.
whatever you scan. What are
Hmm.
you? What is it going to show in projects? Whatever the project is based on. Maybe laptop or
No.
anything. It could be right. Any
Yeah,
project.
this we are using this application for example purpose. Okay,
No, no,
for
I know. I get it.
yeah, yeah, that's what I'm trying to coming to the
I'm
point.
just saying.
Yeah,
Your point is you choose laptop,
yeah,
PC, whatever.
yeah, yeah. Example,
Yeah.
I
So
chose
in
this one
there,
actually. I scanned this one actually.
uh-huh.
Okay, whenever I scan this, automatically it throws some error which is not unique. Okay, in the
Okay.
scanning itself, while scanning itself, whenever you see the error, that time you have to make unit, you have to make unique by clicking on properties. In that properties you have to use all the options are it is showing only, right? Whatever the options are showing, properties are showing, just use that property and you just need to make it unique. Your job is to make the unique, nothing remaining, all options will be displayed there only. Okay, let us do here. Okay, this is laptop, right? Shall we do
Correct.
for this? Let us do this.
Yeah.
Okay, this is also not unique. Without unique, shall we try?
Without what?
Without unique, shall we try? Just directly I'll scan and I'll directly use in the test case. Shall we try that?
It's not gonna work.
Yeah, it won't. It won't. Definitely, it won't work. So
It
again,
won't, right?
yeah, it won't. Definitely, it won't.
Yeah.
So let us. I'll do it one more time. Okay. I'll do it one more time. I'll keep here. What is how much? 1, 2, 3. Fourth one I have scanned. Just keep. Just name it. Name it now. Which I want to scan. Shall I scan this one? First one.
Your gift card, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. So you just click on, right click on the scan application, gift card. So I'll give that name only today, just now.
It's gonna give you error, no?
Yeah, let me scan this first. We have to scan. So this is the one, right? I just would like to scan this. Okay, so click on this. You see it is showing error, it is throwing some error. Okay,
Yes.
one item is not unique, so you have to make this unique. How? Just double click
Go
on this.
to yeah.
Now
You gotta
just let me know what we have to do.
you gotta click each one to
Yeah,
see
check,
which one is the error. Check it.
check, uncheck. It's
Yeah.
not working. No, it's not working.
No.
Try this.
Yeah.
So while scanning time only you can do this. After scanning you can't. Okay, no, it's not working. So still we are in a scanning. Our scan not yet done. So in the scanning itself, if you see this kind of error, you have to make unique, and after that you need to finish the screen. Okay, let us make unique again. No, it is not working. Let's try with this. Not working. Let's try with this. No, it's not working. Let's try with this. No. Let's try with this. No. Let's try with this. No. Let's try with this. Yeah, gone. Okay, error gone. You see red color gone, right?
Yeah.
So what
Yeah.
is this? Gift card, right? Add to cart, gift card.
So in this properties, it won't show you what's the error. You have to keep clicking it.
Come again?
It doesn't automatically show you the error, right? You have to keep clicking which one
Yeah,
is
yeah.
to
So
match.
whenever you click on it, then only it will show. For suppose if I click, can I click on top of this?
Top of what? No.
This. Actually, whenever you scan the item, if you
Uh huh.
if you show that error only, you have to make unit by using these properties. That's it. Suppose I'll click on top of this. Let's see. See this? Whenever I click here only, it is showing that it is not unique.
Okay.
So whenever these items are similar names, that is why it is showing. Okay, we'll do more examples. No worries. Okay. So I will uncheck this too. I'll check on top of this again. You see, try to understand. I'm doing it again. Okay, just click on this, and it showing. Yeah, we have already done this, right? That's why it is. Let me to yeah, outer HTML. So by taking help of this outer HTML, one extra property we are adding. Okay, so which means I'm saying in the background every product, it has its own properties. Understood? Currently all these properties are similar. Okay, whenever you add properties here, whenever you add extra property using outer HTML, then it will be unique than others. Okay, initially all are similar. So whenever I added extra property in the background, so one extra property got selected, which is outer HTML. Understood, my friend?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can add multiple products at once, or you could.
Yeah, I can able to add multiple product also. Just we are actually in a practice where I'm just taking only one example.
Yeah.
So finish your screen.
Okay. That's
Yeah,
still the gift card, right?
yeah. The same. To recognize that, I just mentioned the name here. Add to
Yeah, I
cart,
got it.
gift cart, right?
Uh-huh.
Just to
Yeah.
simply drag this and drop off on top of the test case. That's it, right? Save this and try to run on top of this. Just only individual. I'm just running on top of only. I'm just running only individual. Okay, run on screen. Scratchbook. Let's see what it will click. See this? It just clicked on it. Gift card got selected. We'll try it again because we did mistake here. Actually, we have to select the click operation. Okay. Yes. Save. And so let me do it again. Let me try to run. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Mohammed, just 1 minute. అక్క నేను క్లాస్లో
Yeah, no
ఉన్నాను, మళ్ళీ
problem.
చేస్తా. ఎనీ అర్జెంట్? అవునవును, జస్ట్ అప్పుడు ఫ్రీగా ఉంటుంది. ఐఎమ్ ఇన్ క్లాస్ రైట్. Hello. Yes, that's fine, right? So let me try to run now. Once you drag into the test case, you should not forget to give the value there. Okay. See, it will search item. See this? See it? It is selected. It is opened. Tosca itself opened it. Okay. That's it. Successfully done, right? So this is how we can able to make unique. Understood? If you could not able to understand me, please try to ask me the question again and again. No problem. If you ask multiple question also, I don't bother. I will try to explain everything. Understood, my friend?
Yeah.
So whenever I scan, register and login, it is unique because there is no any similar names. We have only one register, we have only login. So that is why it directly scanned. But if I take this example, there are similar names are there here. That is why Tosca is confusing which one you need to use. For that, what we are doing, we are helping to Tosca by adding extra property. By taking help of that extra property, Tosca is coming, and with by recognizing that, Tosca is coming and clicking on top of this. You understood?
Yeah.
That's fine. So this is what technical property. Technical property in the sense, whenever while you are scanning time, you could see that what I will show you again. Where is that? Yeah, here. Scan in the application. Okay, let me scan. So let me try to scan third one. Okay, scan. So whenever you scan, you see the red color. You should not see red color. If you see red color, it is not unique. Okay, not unique. So in this case, what we have to do, you have to click on this only. Property symbol is this. This is property symbol. Clear?
Okay.
So let me paste here. I am not scanning actually. Paste here. So this is the one. Property means this is a symbol. So for your better understanding, I am just keeping here. Okay. So whenever you see this, if you want to click on, if you want to get the properties, you have to click on this symbol. That's it. You understood? So now let's try to scan again. Where is that? We have to go to the here. Simple. Right click on this. Scan application. Scan web application. Okay. So now just select the application. Okay. So let me try to scan this. This is not unique. By seeing red color, you can able to understand. This is not red color. Maybe it is orange color. That's okay. Don't focus on that. What is this? Click on add to cart system. That's it. This is, I'll keep my own name. So whenever you click on this, so this is one way. For technical properties, you have to click on this. Okay, Mohammed. For technical properties, you have to click on this symbol. You understood? And also we have other, for suppose this technical property is not working, for suppose, understand? So then we have to go to the advanced. Can I? Suppose this technical properties not works. If this technical property not works, you have to click on advanced. So here you see identify by properties, identify. See here, this is technical property, this is anchor, this is image, this is index. Suppose I want to click on index. Simple, if you click on this box, automatically it will make unique. You see this? You see this? This item is not unique yet. Okay, so this is also not working. So I would like to check with the anchor. See, whatever this is called as filter bar. This is called, whenever you select on anchor, okay, this is called as anchor. You have to drag this filter bar till here. Okay, whenever you drag this, you will find your, where is that? Where is that? Why it is showing index is not correct. Okay, so again you just click on anchor. Yeah, this is anchor. Now let me try to drag it down. Yeah, you see this is yours. Okay, if I click on this is called as parental. Okay, this is a parental. You have to select this anchor again, because it should show like this parent, whatever the dotted box is there, right? This dotted box, you see this dotted box, drag this dotted box and drop on top of this. Still it is not working, which means anchor is not also working here. Okay, so I will try to use, let me remove this anchor, right click on top of this, remove anchor, just remove it. So now I'll check with image. Did I check with index? Let me try with this. Yeah, you see this, Mohammed? See this? It is also showing you are selected 3 out of 6. Understood? Are you with me, my dear friend? If you don't respond, how would I know?
Yeah, I'm here.
So index 3 out of 6 means this is the third one out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 are there. Out of that, I am just making it is unique 3. See, whenever unselect this, you see it is red color. Whenever I select this, no, it is unique, not unique, unique, not unique, unique, not unique. Which means by using index property, see this? By using index property, I am just making it as a unique. Simple. You just need to come and just click on this index, nothing else. Okay. Just to save this, finish your screen. That's it. That's it. Close. So what is this? This is the one only, right? Again, drag and drop on top of your properties. Just click on this. And what is that operation? Click operation, right? Tosca, go and click on top of that, right? Just Control S, save it, and try to run this. Run the scratch book. You see which one it will select. Let's see. See that? It's clicked on it on top of system. Success. Result is success. Okay. By using index property, we made that unique. Okay. Next property is, let's try scan application. So all are there for unique only. Your wish, which one you want to choose. All properties are for making unique only. Okay, so now shall I try with the 6th one? Dear brother, connection application lost, something went wrong. So I'll close this. I'll also close again. Okay, I'll try to right click on this, scan application. So which one? This is the one. Scan on top of this. Can I select sixth one?
Yeah.
See this? The selected item is not unique. First we have seen technical properties, right? This is one way. Next we have to go to advanced. Mahmoud, again I'm saying this is one way. This is called as
Mm-hmm.
normal properties, which I can say technical properties. First priority is check with this. Okay. If you can able to make unique, no problem. That's it. Here only you can finish. Or else sometimes what happens is even after selecting all, checking with the all, it doesn't work. Then what you have to do? You need to go to the advanced. You have to see identify by properties. Just now we have seen index, right?
Yeah.
So let us try with the anchor or image. Let us try with the image. See this? Okay. You just need to select on top of this image. Okay. Just click on top of this. Okay. Now you need to select your this image. See here, automatically it is showing the reference. So whatever I chose this is called as a reference image. You are giving one object as a reference. That's it. You just click on it. Automatically it will make unique. See this? No? Not unique still. I'll close this again. I'll try. So let me try to use this. You need to give some any image. Okay. Select on top of this. Yes, click on S. Okay, still it is not making it as. So if you don't work this, you need to try with other. That's it.
Yeah.
So it is not working. That means it doesn't mean just simple. It is not working. Okay. So you need to try with other. What other index or anchor is there? Anchor also won't work for this. Index. With the index here 6 out of 6. Sixth one. All how many total are 6? You selected as sixth. With the index. So it is unique now. You see this here. That's it. Simple. How many we have used? I'll show you.
6, right?
Yeah, this is sixth one. Okay. So how many in this properties we have used properties, normal properties. We have used index. Anchor and image is not working for this. Okay. We will see other. We'll take other example. Understood? Now that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Go back to the basic. So I want to change here name. This is add to cart. Add to cart. Sixth system. That's it. Finish the screen. That's it. Close it. Go to the module. Sixth system. Whatever it is there. Just click on this icon. Drag and drop on top of test case. Just save this. Try to run. This it will select. You see it. Sixth one it will select automatically. Right? It got successful, right? This is successful. So
Yep.
this is how we have seen different items. For example, let us take electronics or books. Books are there. So here different books are there, right? So shall I scan this? Scan
Yeah.
this. You have to do multiple practice, multiple times. If you do practice, then only you can able to recognize next time, and then only you can able to remember in your mind. Without practice, you are just listening my class, and again you are coming to my class. If I ask the question, your mind is empty. You have to do practice also.
Okay.
So can I select here? Just select this. This is
Yeah.
not unique. Go to the advanced. Select by identify by properties anchor. Okay. So let me identify, this is the one. So whenever you select anchor property, click on this anchor property, you just drag down here till here, more here, yes, till here. See here, I could not see here anchor property. Again you select it, again click on anchor, you see right now, you see here, you need to read here, identify by anchor. So now this condition, what is this? Div is there, right? This is add to cart, this is child, this parent is whatever dotted box is there, that is their parent. So the first one which you see on top of this add to cart name, this is parent. So this is parent and child relationship. Okay, so you just drag and drop here. No, it's not working. Simple. Okay, here anchor is not working here. Understood? So that is not our fault. By default design is like that. Okay, index, I'll try with the index. Can you see? Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, next, finish the screen. Finish the screen, close screen. I'll try to drag this and drop this. Simple run. It will select and open the book. That's it. So it is not working. Why? Because so it is successful but it is not proper way. Why? Tell me. Because we haven't selected click operation here.
Yes.
So save this. Go again. We'll try to run this. Yeah, it is clicking. Understood? That's great. Okay, next, I have two left. Electronics, computers. Let me scan this. Okay, let me try to scan this. Go to the modules again, right click on this, scan application, scan, basic, just click on computers. Why it is not moving? Okay, that's fine. Let me select this. I just want to scan, that's it. Oh, it is unique only already. Okay, let me select this. It is also unique. This is also unique, no problem. Okay, so no, next I'll close this. Let me identify different of desktops, accessories. Let me try from here. Right click on this, select application, select the application for scan purpose. That's it. Next, try to select this, add to cart. It is not unique. Next, go to advanced. I just want to check with the anchor. Okay, so anchor property, by taking help of anchor property, let us see how to make unique. Simple. Just now go to here, just extend this bar, filter bar, identify where it is, just scroll it up and down, you will find it. Yeah, here it is there. Just this, drag this. Oh, first you need to select anchor again. Okay, drag this and drop it up. Still, this anchor is not working for many. Remove this and anchor is not working, right? Let me check which one will work. Okay, I will cancel this and I'll try for another one. Let's go for books. Books I think we have covered. I think so. Scan. Scan the application. So now select go to basic, because I don't want to make this big one. Just this drag and keep here. I would like to scan this book. I want to use I just want to use anchor. That's why I'm just searching which one suits for anchor. That's it. Okay, this is books. Okay, identify by anchor. Okay, you just simply drag this here till here. Okay, so if for this books, which one is Mohammed? Can you see this is actually child? For this book, the above whatever dotted line you see, that is parent. Okay, select the property which is anchor property. Select this dotted line. You see above this page, books page, whatever you see dotted square box, just drag and drop here. Can you see here?
Yeah.
That's it. See this. Now this is working. The target control was successfully identified. Now you see the selected item is unique. Understood? Clear?
Yes.
So go to the basic. I just want to change this as a name. What is this? Click on books category. Categories. Actually, we need to call that like this. And finish the screen. And you need to close this. Now let us try to save this. Click on books category, drag this and drop on top of test case. Right? Save this. Right click on this. Run this test book. Just run the scratch book. Yeah. What mistake we have done? Can you please tell me? So we just directly run this. We did not give the value.
Click. Yeah.
Okay. Click value you have to mention. So intentionally doing mistakes. I know that I have to give, but you need to understand. That's why I'm not giving it. Just right click on it. Now it will work. You see this, right? Done.
Yeah.
Successfully done. And you just open this. It's opened. Books opened, right? It clicked on this and it's opened books, nothing else. So this is how we can use. How many properties we have seen? So this is done, right? Technical property, index is done, anchor is done, and image. Okay, let's try with the image also. Okay, by taking reference of any other image, we are going to make this unique, nothing else. Okay. Okay, so let me try to scan. This is last one. Okay, let me try to scan. Please don't sleep. Okay, please don't fall in the sleep.
No, I'm here.
Yeah, so it is scanning. These many examples we have discussed for only making it unique. So let me try to click on this jewelry. It is not unique. By taking help of advanced, let us try. I'm just trying, we never know, right? So image, click on image. Okay, so let me try to select this and I will take reference here, this one. Let's try, see that. See this, the selected item is unique. Mohammed.
Yes.
So by taking reference, just simply you selected this and you have given one any object or any image as reference, that's it. And after that automatically it is unique. You should not use any empty space. Okay, you can give any image as a reference. Close this, go to the basic jewelry, right? Click on jewelry, jewelry. Click on jewelry using image property. I am using, just simply finish the screen and close this. So you see in the models whatever we have scanned, you can see this, the jewelry image. Drag the model and drop on top of test case. Okay, next we have to give here right click operation. If you do so, if you do mistake, it won't run it. See here, let's see, it will click on jewelry here, this one. So I'll see here, my cursor is here right side, I kept here, automatically it will come to the left and it will click on, see this, it is clicking on it. That's great. This is fantastic, Muhammad. This is one of the wonder. You know that. That's great. We can able to do everything in front of us only. We could see this. We can do it. We can drag this. We can drop this. This is dead easy. You know, it's working amazing, right? So we have checked with the technical property. We have checked with the index property. We have checked with the anchor property. We have to check the image property. We have used different properties to make it unique. For make it unique only we have done all these things. We have taken these many examples. Okay, in interview they will ask you, hey Mohammed, can you please explain me, if you see somewhere if your object is not unique, so how can you make unique? No, you have to say, hey Alex, we have actually different properties in our Tosca. We have properties called technical property, we have property called index property, we have property called anchor property, we have property called image property. By using these properties we can make it unique. Okay, Initially, actually we have to check with the technical property first as a first priority. Next you have to take it as a index as second priority. Next anchor as a third priority. If anchor not works, you have to use take index identify by image property. First you need to check with the technical property. If it is not unique, you need to go with the index property. If it is not unique, you need to go with the anchor property. If it is not unique, you need to go with the image property. Definitely it would be unique, don't worry. So these properties, by using these properties, while you are scanning, if you see anything not unique, you will make it as a unique. Simple. That's all about properties. Done with the properties, my dear friend.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, done. One topic done today. So do you have any questions? Please ask me. Any queries? I have used lot of examples for you to understand.
Yeah.
Please ask me any questions, any queries.
Not really right now.
So please explain me what I have done today.
A lot.
Okay, watch this video and do practice. I'll
Which
share with you.
video?
I've shared
Do you
with you
share it?
already. Yeah, I've shared with you. Okay, just watch this and do practice.
Oh,
At
that
least you do
one.
practice on Sunday. Take
Yeah.
1 hour. Just take 1 hour.
Okay.
Every topic, if you do practice, it would be easy for you,
Yeah.
right? So I have given access for that document also. You just go through it. So the properties
Yeah, I
also I
saw it.
mentioned. I'll show you here, my dear brother. I'll show you here itself. So here, yeah, I'll show you here. This is the document. So here the document is. See here. Can you see?
Yeah.
So today's topic I mentioned here. So today's topic I mentioned here. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Identify by properties. Clear? So first one is
Yes.
technical property. This is definition. You just need to understand this. Next one is what happening in the background. This is just image I mentioned here. Okay.
Okay.
So next, what happens during the test execution? Test case name. What is? Just try to read all this stuff. Okay. Next, properties explained. Just example: height, gender, hair, voice, weight, all those stuff. Common
Okay.
technical properties. Technical properties are this. I explained you this. Okay.
Okay.
Next one is technical properties examples. I mentioned all this here. Next one is identify object identification. Technical properties. So I just mentioned here all images also for your reference. Next is anchor property. The image I mentioned every step here. So after that unique also I mentioned here step. Next is image. Okay. So this also I mentioned. So properties I mentioned here, right? So just read
Yeah.
it. Identify properties interview questions also I mentioned here. Okay, what does item unique mean in Tosca? Answer is, it means Tosca found multiple controls with the same identification properties, so it cannot uniquely identify by the object. Tosca highlights it with the orange color. That's what I have shown you, my dear brother.
Okay.
Right? So, what is the correct sequence identification methods in Tosca? First, technical properties you need to use. If not unique, you have to use index. If not use, you can use anchor. If not use, you can use image. If not use, you can use XPath. I'll show you tomorrow that XPath also. So what is identified by index? Index assign numeric position to similar objects like roll numbers. So it useful when the multiple identification control exists. I have shown you, right? 3 of 6, 6 of 6, right? By seeing that, index will identify. Understood? So like that I have mentioned every interview question here. Clear?
Okay.
Save and just close. That's it. That's all for today. We have discussed
Okay.
about properties today. That's it, Mohammed. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll see you in next class.